Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Fortnite game settings not saving. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So this is kind of annoying if your settings when you're actually playing in Fortnite is not being safe. So there are a few things that we need to change here for you to solve this issue. So first thing is we need to basically access a very specific file on our Fortnite game files. So first things first is we need to go to search at the bottom left here, and you want to search for the following, which is going to be a run. So go ahead and search for that, and you want to type in the following, which is going to be percentage local app data percentage, and just click on OK. Now it's going to open up another folder here, so make sure that you're in the current location, which is app data and local, and from here click on any folder. So just single click and just press on F, and from here look for Fortnite game. So go ahead and open that up. From here go to saved, and from here you want to go to config and look for client settings.sav. Now in this case, you want to right click on this file here, and you want to access its properties. So in this case, just wait for it to pop up, but once it pops up, so go ahead and click on properties here, and from here make sure that read only option here. So if you see that this is clicked, make sure that it is not clicked, and just click on apply and just click on OK. Now once you've done that, you need to go back into Epic Games. From here you want to go to library, and from here locate Fortnite, click on the three dotted icon here, and from here you want to choose the option here for manage, and from here just click on verify for you to verify your files in Fortnite, and from there it should solve your issue. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.